I always do twist outs for you guys. And again, I recommend, you know, taking some oil when you're taking your flexi rods or anything down. But again, honestly, this was like a super quick job because I really just needed to detangle and get some of the buildup out of my hair. I had my temporary colors in, I had a lot of product in. Thanksgiving I did like a quick bun. And for me, the key to my length retention really is making sure that I keep it like debris, like clear of debris and the lint and all that kind of gets caught at the end. So that really interferes with your length retention. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 flexi rods. So like I said, I love this method of using 1 flexi rod per 2 sections because it's like just a lot quicker and it's a lot easier to sweep in. Here is my length right now. This is actually the stretched hair and there's not much difference. So I want you to look, this is the hair that was actually kind of a little bit blow dried. And obviously it feels a little softer, but as you can see, the difference really is the ends. This obviously has my natural curl oil and make it happen. Hey guys, I am back. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look. Gotta do a shake. Not too much, it hurts my neck. But again, let me emphasize, this is, I don't know if y'all saw my like really frizzy bun from Thanksgiving. This is super dirty hair, lots of product. Flexi rods of various sizes and my UniQurl oil. I didn't even use my detangler. I literally used water and oil and the detangler.